Alright guys, so I got this is the second part of the Emerson fan update. So unfortunately guys, I wasn't happy. I evaluated the fan and it's not even worth repairing. I checked the motor. It seemed to be okay. There's no way I was going to be able to salvage it just because of the age of the fan. You know, and unfortunately the new bearings I put in had worn out already. So anyway, it's not worth trying to mess with or repair. I have declared it unsafe to operate. You know, I feel it's just dangerous as of right now because of the condition it's in. You know, with the way the power cord shorted out and shocked me. See, you guys can see the burn marks right there on my hand from when it shocked me. So, unfortunately, I am okay. As of right now, I am okay. You know, but unfortunately, guys, I will be getting rid of it. So, I'm sorry if I upset any fan collectors that like these fans, but unfortunately, my Emerson 77646SU is not worth repairing due to the fact that it suffered a catastrophic motor and cord failure at the exact same time. So unfortunately, Emerson's not safe to operate as of what it did to my hand. And so the path the electricity took is it went through my right hand, through my arm, behind my shoulder blades, into my left arm. And luckily I had my left hand in my pocket, so I was able to take my left shoe and sock off in order to provide a safe grounding path or safe path to ground. So anyway, that worked out because I made sure that I was properly grounded before doing this test or before trying to test it after repairs. So anyway, that was a miracle. What just happened? That was a miracle that it missed my heart. Because if that got my heart, I wouldn't be here. So thank God it did not. Thank God that electricity did not go to my heart. So anyway, guys, so it went behind my shoulder blades, down my other arm, into my left leg, and into the ground. So anyway, that's the path the electricity took. But anyway, I just want to thank you guys for supporting me over the past few years. I really appreciate it. And I didn't mean to upset any fan collectors, but unfortunately I declared my Emerson fan unsafe to operate due to what it did to my body and what it did to me. So unfortunately I will be getting rid of it. So the videos we have of it are going to be to honor this fan and to honor the Emerson Electric Company, which is still making fans today. So Emerson Electric, thank you for your guys' great products. I really appreciate what you guys do for us, and also all the other guys, all the other companies that are out there that make really good fans. So anyway, and I thank you. As I say, I thank you guys for your support. Helping me to get as far as I did. So thank you guys very much for your support. And Painted Horse Rail Productions, thank you for your support as well. I really appreciate it. So anyway, guys, we're gonna see if we can find another Emerson model 77646SU, or see if I can find another vintage fan equivalent to it, even if it was so. Guys, I don't know if you guys could. So guys, a couple fans I'm eyeballing in particular. So if you guys happen to come across one, if you're at an antique shop or something, let me know. I am looking for a good replacement. So I was thinking of a 10-inch GE Vortelex fan. So it's a 10-inch fan, probably made back in the 50s. They're great fans. Looking for a 3-blade model, because those ones move the most air. So anyway, if any of you, happen to come across one, if you could let me know, which antique store it's at, or what it's at. So anyway, just let me know, because I am looking for a vintage replacement for my Emerson table fan, which has gone out of service and it was retired. So my Emerson fan, I retired it from here. It's no longer in service. I retired it yesterday, as a matter of fact. So we're gonna, replace the fan with something better. But as a temporary replacement, I'll be getting another. Because I'm actually going to be getting a mainstays, just like I have up in the bedroom. So anyway, once the warmer months start coming, we're gonna start doing fans running videos, where we're gonna do some videos of all the fans running in the house. So anyway, I hope you guys are looking forward to that. 'Cause that's hopefully that'll be pretty cool, where we can actually like put some fans in the windows, get them running. Anyway, so guys, that's update on the Emerson fan. So guys, like I said before, if any of you guys are also fan collectors, if you guys could like really help me out here, I am looking for a 10-inch GE Vortelex fan, made by General Electric sometime back in the 50s. So anyway, guys, I will put a video link in the description. So you guys, Jordan, you did the video on it. He happens to have one. So I'll put the video link in the description so you guys know what kind of fan I'm looking for. But anyway, guys, I hope I can find a good replacement for the Emerson that's still good, like with no electrical problems. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. By all means, feel free to send feedback to me, and we'll see you in another video.